In this video, I will show you how you can clean company names from their legal suffixes and junk that you get through scraping in under 3 minutes. And for this, I will be using Datablist.com. If you don't know Datablist yet, Datablist is an easy to use yet powerful platform to automate data sourcing, enrichment, and cleaning workflows. So you could use Datablist to scrape data from anywhere in the web, enrich it with additional business information like emails, phone numbers, websites, and so on. And then use AI to clean your data, such as company names. But for now, let's just start by opening Datablist. When you open Datablist, you will arrive here at this getting started page, and then you click here on start with the CSV or Excel file, and you import your company names. Click here on continue to properties, continue. Now click here on import 50 items back to collection. Now you'll be here and your spreadsheet view. Then you click here on clean and you select here clean company names. And now you would have to map your import property, but for me it's automatically mapped. So then you just click here on continue to outputs configuration. Before I continue, you also have the chance to just clean junk and keep the legal forms if you want. But I want to remove the legal forms, so I will just click here on continue to outputs configuration and here click on this plus icon to get the cleaned company name in my collection. Click here to instant run and run enrichment on all items. And this will take about a minute, I think. So it's actually pretty fast. So let's just wait. I think it's about a minute, maybe less. So yeah, as you can see, it was pretty fast and it cleaned all the company names. So Alphatech Solutions LLC is now Alphatech Solutions. Global Innovations Corporation is now Global Innovations. Precision Engineering Ltd is now Precision Engineering. Zentrale Logistik GmbH ist now Zentrale Logistik. So Müller und Söhne und GmbH und Co. KG is now Müller und Söhne. So yeah, it was pretty fast. It's pretty good, guys. If you have any questions about this enrichment and workflow or about any other workflow you could run in Datablist, just leave me a comment below and I will reply to your comment or even do an entire video explaining your question or answering your question. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.